Diva here. Thanks for passing by. If it's your first time, thanks for passing by. And if you are returning, welcome back. So I'm going to dive right into my little gems that I like to find at the Dollar Tree. And without further ado, let's jump right in. How cute is this? Look at that. But first, coffee and back in 10 minutes. I could not resist this. This is such an adorable little sign and it lights up. You can't ask for more. And then, look at this. A troll's face mask. These I saw at Marshall's for about $8. And this I found at the Dollar Tree. So this is going as a stocking stuffer. And this is for the Trolls World Tour. So this is so adorable. And then I picked up squishies. Which child does not love squishies? But I noticed these I've seen. So this is a repurchase. But these I haven't. How cute is this? The llama and the mermaid. So this is going to go together for my little ones. And guys, check this out. Scratch art. I am obsessed with this. We went to a little Halloween party that my daughter had in second grade. No, first grade. No, kindergarten. I'm sorry. And they had these little arts and crafts sections where you did art with scratching things. And I'm like, this is so cute. They're going to enjoy this. So they each got one, and it has 50 pieces, and it says it comes with one stick. So I guess with the stick you scratch and you make art. Adorable. And this keeps them busy. Oh, and then I got my hubby his own little Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Beanie Baby by Teeny Ties. This is a lot more than $1. I know for a fact. And then, yes, so random, right? Balls. I got these balls because my daughter's remoting. And when she has to do gym, they require of her to do activities with a basketball, with a ball, like shooting a ball. And we have not been able to find any balls in the house. So I picked up 2 only because my little one also likes to do the activities when she does it, so they each get one. And then I know this is so like random. Oh, how adorable is this unicorn hand soap for $1? $1. I can't. And this is 10.5 ounces and it's in sweet cherry scented. So this is a great deal. You can't beat that. And then I got a 4-pack of loofahs. I usually like to have big ones, but because we can each have one, I figured it was a better deal. And it still does the job. And we each get one, and it's cheaper for $4. So pick that one up. And then my little ones haven't really been interested in their toothpaste. They want to use big girl toothpaste. So I picked this up because this one is a kids Colgate, and it's kids kids cavity protection, and it's in bubble fruit flavor and in 2.7 ounces. So I picked this one up. Maybe they'll like it so they can have their big girl toothpaste. And then I picked up some fruit roll-ups because we're in winter recess. The girls are going to be home and they like their snacks, so this would be a nice little snack for them to have. And also, speaking of snacks, they like their snacks at all times. So I had picked this one up previously because I wanted to know if they would like it or not. They loved it. With some butter, put it in the toaster oven, put some butter on it. So I picked up another package. You get 4 for $1. You can't beat that. And it's cinnamon raisin bagels by Ellie's. That covered that. And oh, and wipes. You can't go wrong with just an extra package of wipes. I like to have these And I like to pick them up when I see them at the Dollar Tree because I can have them for work. I can have them in the car. I like to, when I'm at work, I like to wipe down my chair, my phone, everything, because you can't be extra careful, especially now. So yeah, this is a package of 15 wipes. And yeah, that's it. This is my small haul, but I wanted to share the things that I found. I love the squishies, the scratch art, the unicorn hand soap, and yeah. Thank you for passing through my channel. And if you like my video, hit like and subscribe. Until next time, Discount Diva.